Good morning, children. We have already learnt number names, and right now we will do the exercise with the number names, which is related to number names. What is number names? The word which is written for the numbers. For example, 1, O-N-E, 1. Now see, what is this exercise? Match the pictures with the number names. Here, what is this? What is this? These are pictures. Here also pictures are given. And here in the middle, number names. What we have to do? We have to match these pictures with the number names. Okay? See the first example. First is done. So we will have to do with two number. Here one horse is given. So match is given O-N-E 1. Now we will see the next picture. How many cats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cats are here? 4 cats. So 4 is written. Where 4 is written? Find it out. Here. So 4 number will goes with this spelling. Okay. Now see here. How many fish are here in this pot? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 fish are here. So 7, where 7 is written? Here? No. Here? Yes. S-E-V-E-N 7. So 7 fish. So what you will have to do? You will have to draw the line from here to here. Okay, now see how many butterflies are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 butterflies are here. So what will we do? We will match this picture with 9 spelling. Where is it given? Here. N-I-N-E 9. So this picture goes with here. What you have to do? Start line to draw from here and end it here. Now see. How many camels? 2 camels. Where is 2 written? Here. T-W-O 2. So what will we do? We will draw the line from here and match it with number names with T-W-O 2. See how many dogs are here? 3 dogs. 1, 2, 3. See, 3 dogs are here. So what is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. Where is 3 written here? Is it 3? No. Is it 3? No. Is it 3? Yes. T-H-R-E-E 3. Okay. Now see. How many squirrels are here? Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squirrels. Where 5 is written? Here? No, it is on the top. Here. F-I-V-E 5. So, you should have to start to draw a line from here and end it here with the squirrels. Now count the monkeys. How many monkeys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 monkeys are here. So children, see. S-I-X. Is it 6? Yes. So, you have to draw a line from here to here. Match the monkeys with SIX 6. Okay. Now see how many frogs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 monkeys are here. So where is 8 is written? Here. You should have to match this 8 with these monkeys. Okay children? Now see children, what you have to do in your textbook? You have to draw the line with the scale and match, not with the hands. Okay? Now we will see another thing. See here. See here numbers and here number names. What you have to do in your textbook? Count the animals in the pictures and write their numbers and number names. Here so many animals are given. See the picture. What you have to do? You have to count the animals. Suppose here elephant picture is given. So here what you have to do? You have to see the elephant and count the elephant. How many elephants are here in this picture? Only one. So you should have to write here one number and here number name. What is the number name of one? How do we spell? O-N-E 1. Now see the second picture. This is a crocodile. See the picture. Count the crocodile. How many crocodiles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write here number 4 and here what you have to do? You have to write the number names of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Here monkey. How many monkeys are there in the picture? You have to count and write the number. Here you have to write number names of monkeys. How many monkeys are there? You have to count. Now see the next picture is, what is this? Turtle. How many turtles are there? Downside see, so many turtles are here. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you have to write 8 and here you have to write the spelling of 8. Now how many rabbits are there? See, where are the rabbits? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rabbits are there. So what you have to do? You have to write here number 7 and here you have to write 7 number S-E-V-E-N with the number names. Okay. Here also you have to do the same. You have to find the picture. What is this? This is a lion. So how many lions are there in this picture? 2 lions. So here you will write 2 and here number names. 2. T-W-O 2. Okay. Now see next picture is giraffe. Students, have you seen giraffe? Yes. If you not seen, see in the picture. These are giraffe. How many giraffes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 giraffes are there. So here what do we write? We write 6. And here we write S-I-X 6. Now see, what is this? Have you seen? Yes. Where are these animals? You have to find out here. 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 3. So we will write here 3 and here T-H-R-E-E 3. Here see the birds. How many birds are there? Count in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 8 birds are there. So you'll have to write here AIGHT 8 and here number 8. Okay children. Now you got number names. How to write number names? Okay. Now see the next one. Concept of zero. See here. Harti's mother takes out 2 coins from her purse. She keeps them on her palm. See here, Hariti's mother says, "What do I have in my purse?" See, her daughter says, "2 coins, mummy." Now see what she did. Then she puts the coins back in her purse and shows her palm again. See, what did he say? What did he say? What do I have now? Now see. Is there anything in this hand? No, nothing. But we do not say nothing for numbers. We say 0 and write it as 0, as circle, as we learnt already in the Zoom. Okay? Now 0 is smaller than 1. 0 is smaller than 1. Now see the next exercise. Fill in the empty boxes. See how many monkeys are here on the tree? 2 monkeys. Now see, 2 monkeys jumps away. These 2 monkeys jumps away. Now how many monkeys are left here? 0 monkeys. How many monkeys are left here? 0 monkey. Now see the string. This is a string and these are beads. Okay. See how many beads are here in a string? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is written here. Now 3 beads roll away. So how many beads are left now? Nothing. But we cannot say nothing. We write 0 for nothing. So here 0 beads are left over. Now see the next one. How many butterflies are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies on the flowers. Now see, butterflies fly away. Now how many butterflies are remaining on the flowers? No butterfly. Nothing is there. So we write it as 0. Understand children? Now what is 0? 0 means nothing. But for 0 we cannot say nothing. We say 0. Okay? Now students, see exercise number 5. Circle the smaller numbers. See 6, 3. 6 and 3 numbers are given. In these 2 numbers, which one is small? 6 or 3? 3 numbers. So what we have to do? We have to circle the small number. So here you have to do the circle. Now see the next one. B. 9, 5. In these 2 numbers, which one is small? 5 numbers. So what we have to do? Make a circle here. Now see. 5, 3. Between these 2 numbers, which one is small? 5 or 3? 3. So we will have to draw the circle here. Now D. 1, 2. See, 1 and 2 is given. Between these 2 numbers, which is the small number? 1 number. So we will circle on one number. Now the next one is 3, 2. Now see, 3 is bigger number or 2 is bigger number. Which one is big? 3. So small is 2. So we will draw a circle on number 2. Now see the next exercise. Circle the bigger number. See, here numbers are given. What you have to do? You have to circle on the bigger number. See, 9 and 3 is given. So in 9 and 3, which one is big? 9 number. So what you have to do on 9? We have to draw the circle. Now here 2 and 7. Between these two numbers, which one is big? 7 number. So we will do circle on 7 number. Now see, 5, 8. In these two numbers, which one is big? Number 8. So we will draw a circle on number 8. Now next one is 7, 9. See, between these two numbers, which one is big? 9 number. So we will do circle on 9 number. Now see E. 6, 7. Which one is big? 7 number. So we will do circle on number 7. Correct? Now students, this is all for today. I will send you the pic of this exercise. You will have to write in your notebook. Till then, goodbye and good day.